In today's data-driven world, information is power. But what if that data wasn't just information, but a key to unlocking true potential? At ESCode, we believe data is more than just numbers on a page. We're a Microsoft technology-focused company that helps businesses unlock the power of their data through a range of innovative solutions. We specialize in data platform modernization. We transform your legacy data platforms into modern, cloud-based architectures. This involves migrating data to the cloud, optimizing storage and retrieval, and implementing robust data governance and security measures. Data analytics solutions. We offer a comprehensive suite of data analytics solutions. From building enterprise data warehouses to creating interactive visualizations, we design and implement data marts, data lakes, and data pipelines. We also develop advanced analytics models and dashboards to unlock the power of your data. Data integration and architecture. Our experts design and implement cutting-edge data integration architectures. We integrate data from diverse sources, ensuring data quality and consistency, and optimize data flows for maximum efficiency. Informed decisions start with clear insights and fast. That's why ESCode goes beyond core data services with powerful, industry-tailored analytical solutions. We leverage the best of Microsoft Power BI to create compelling dashboards and reports that bring your data to life. But we don't stop there. We've developed 2 rapid deployment, drop-in solutions that seamlessly integrate with your existing environment. With minimal effort, you'll be harnessing the power of ESCode's analytics to extract valuable insights from your data. These innovative products are namely People Analytics. People are your most valuable asset. Our People Analytics platform helps you gain insights into your workforce, optimize talent management, and drive better people decisions. Fuel Analytics. In the fuel industry, every drop counts. Our Fuel Analytics solution provides insights into fuel consumption patterns, helps you optimize logistics, and identify areas for cost savings. These 2 innovative ESCode solutions are just the beginning. With our extensive experience across various industries, ranging from mining to insurance to fintech companies, we can tailor data visualization and analytical solutions to your specific needs. Whether you require financial, operational, sales, performance, or effectiveness dashboards, ESCode has the expertise to transform your data into actionable insights. We partner with you to unlock the hidden potential within your information, empowering you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. At ESCode, we don't just deal with data, we unlock its potential. We empower you to transform data into a strategic advantage. Let ESCode be your guide in the data revolution.